Hey, what's up, guys? It's your favorite Turo host. So I got this 2015 Kia Forte. The turn blinker keeps going out on me, so I went and bought new LED bulbs, and I was trying to figure out how to replace it. I saw other Kias, they said, take out this nut, take out this one, and remove the headlight, and that was for other vehicles. But for this one, I had to take off the whole grill. So that's what I've been doing. I took off this one. I have these other ones to go. So as soon as I get these off, I'm gonna do it both sides. I'll come back and show you what's going on. So it turns out that the grill is connected to the bumper. So I had to take the screw out right up here and then just pull that part out. Did it for both sides. So I think I can replace the bulbs without doing the screws on the bottom, because I'm pretty sure, like right here, it's a couple screws down there too that you have to get out. So let's just go ahead. I'm gonna try to get this out. So now I should be able to just slide this out. It's a clip back here somewhere that I'm not aware of, but all I need to do is get back here to get this turn signal light. So let me see what I should be doing next. All right, so what I did, I kind of turned the light inwards in this way, then I pulled it out. So now it's coming out of here, and I'm able to pretty much pull it out. But just be sure that you don't rip out any cords, or you don't pull out too far where you're not supposed to. I went ahead and got these LED lights. So I just need to get up in here, and in the back of here, it is this. You just twist that off or pull this out, and inside of that is a bulb for this piece here. Right out of this bottom area right here. So I just took this off and pull. All you gotta do is pull it off. You don't have to twist or nothing like that. So I'm gonna pick this one up, and then just stick that right up in here. It's a new LED light. I don't know how this mud works when it looks like this, but I'm just gonna put this in and put everything back together where I found it. Wish me luck, because I don't really do stuff like this. But, I got another guest for my Turo ride tomorrow. And I just want to make sure that I have things done and prepared, because I know that I can't, go to my girlfriend's dad to help me do this, or I can't go to a shop in the morning when they might have tons of people waiting in line or waiting to do something. So sometimes you just gotta take care of stuff if you can on your own. So that's what we're doing today. So I got one down. This next one to go. Same thing. Oh, I didn't even take this one off. So I gotta take these two off. 1, 2, 3. The bumper and the grill is already off, and then it's going to be right here in this area there. So that's the clip to help you twist it off. So I want to see if I can even just do this one without. All right, so I got this part off. Oh, this one actually, the whole thing came out. Oh my God. So if you got the opportunity to have the whole thing come off like that, then that's all you need. And then you could just swap the bulbs out. So turns out this was pointless of taking the grill and hood off. But on this side, I couldn't get to it, so I pretty much had to on this side. But whatever works for you, all you need to do is just twist it one or the other way, and then pull it off. Yeah, and then pull it off. Grab the other one here. Same thing. They got little perforations for you so you can figure out which way to do it. Push it in and turn, figure out which way to turn. And then I'm just gonna slide that back in there and make sure I twist this little knob down here. So I'm gonna go ahead, turn the engine on. Got it turned on. Got the headlights on, and then I'm gonna turn the hazards on too, just to make sure they working now. Uh-oh. So this one don't look like it's working. And this one isn't either. Dang, the headlight not even on. What the hell? Alright, I'm gonna diagnose it and I'm gonna come back. Alright, so I know what was wrong. Oh, so I had accidentally pulled this out when I was doing the whole headlight thing. So I just put that back in. Let me put this back on too. And then for this one, I just put it back in. I took it out, then put it back in because I don't know why those blinkers weren't working. So hopefully this helps. Nope. Still no hazards in the front. Or no blinkers. Because I don't know what's going on. Let's see. I think I'm going to just try to put it on a different way. See if that works. Alright, so I got them all to work, but I think I know what the problem is. These are not orange or yellow or whatever color like they're supposed to be. So they are on, but they don't flicker, a color, if that makes sense. So what I have to do is I have to go back and get the right kind. But I'm glad that I did figure out how to do this. So yeah, thanks for the journey. I hope I don't bore y'all. I hope this was funny. I hope this was funny for y'all. But I'm going to figure out what to do. So I guess these are not the ones we want. And it says for off-road use only. So they gave me some bullshit. But that's my fault. I asked for this based off the website. So I'll show you on the website what I saw and what I picked and why. And then I'll go through and show what I should have picked. All right, so it's 7 in the morning. I had to go back and get the actual front bulbs, and now they're working. I replaced them, and now they're good to go. So I'm geeked, and my next guest is at 8 a.m. So just to finish off the video, I'm gonna just take pictures of the vehicle like I'm supposed to, and we can go ahead and get started. So after this lady, I think I'm gonna have to redo my washing fluid. It's a little low, but yeah, this car doesn't give me any troubles. I just want to make sure that people are safe, they have their blinkers, and we're not causing any accidents out on the street. So let me go ahead and get this car ready to go and take all the pictures that I need. All right, so again, you want to make sure you get a little bit of everything. The car was still in great clean condition, so all I did was sanitize and get it prepared for today. Get the hood, all areas. Just want to be safe. The windshield has no cracks. Same thing with these windows here. We just got the windows, got the side, get the front panel here. I don't have my tread diff reader, but I'll be sure to do that too. I'm gonna go home and get it because she picks it up from my place. Just get every angle, especially these back bumpers. You never know, somebody may smack it or something. All right, just keep on going. So I understand that people like block off their license plate numbers for people who may try to stalk them or something. But I don't think I'm too worried about that. We got them. Will keep clap. Nah, just fun. Nah, but my place is pretty secure, so I'm not too worried about that. Alright, I guess I'll start on this door. Hey, I hope y'all find these videos amusing, especially today, this video, because I fucked up as far as getting the wrong bulbs, and yeah, it was sickening. And the car was really damn clean already, and we just appreciate people for using your stuff and treating it as their own and not ruining anything. So therefore we can keep the show moving and going and grooving, so that we can keep doing what we need to do. So this lady today, she said her car broke down, and that's why she needed the car today. Let's just take a picture of the top just in case. My antenna fell off in the car wash. I got the antenna, but I need to make sure I got some super hose, super glue, to keep that protected. So these is all the tools. I took off the whole bumper. Can't believe it. Put this on the floor. Cool. Take this out too. So these the old bulbs. I could pretty much throw those away. Take a picture of these again. So my last guest in his car, he was a social media coach, and I got a media company, so hopefully we could link, and definitely, you know, network with your guests, because you never know who you may have in your car. So the car is still on full, but I need to get back. I probably gotta top it off again. As you can see, it's coming down a little bit. But what was I about to say? Yeah, network with your guests, and don't take this final picture yet because you still have to go to the gas station, then go home. So I assume that I'll have about 129, 200. Nah, that's 20 miles. 129.90, 190. So let's go ahead and get home, and I'll take this last picture right here. Up on top, show no damage. Right here, show no damage. Show no damage up here. So I forget that sometimes. But yeah, let me get back to the crib, and I'll show you the checkout process.